So hello everyone, this is Ricky again. And again, allow me to share this IMS application. In my previous video, by the way, I'll show you this status report by group until a status report by class. But this time, allow me to share this cycle count report that I newly created. So we have cycle count by group until cycle count by class, including this report. So let's go and try to generate the report by selecting any of this report under this combo box. So for example, I want to generate cycle count report by class. This one by classification. So all I need is click this cycle count option by class, and then the message appear on your screen like this one. Report generation. Are you sure to proceed in printing the report? So please press OK and to proceed. And then the information below will display informing the user that the printing is in progress. So please wait until the process is completed. Excuse me. So this is the report for cycle count by classification. This one. All right. So all of the classification is included in this report, right? From class A until class D, right? So what if I want only the classification C, this one, and also D, this one? So all I need is click this report. Click this button, then this form will display on your screen, this one. So I'll go to classification, this one, and then select class C and D, this one. And then proceed to click cycle count. So please wait again until the process is completed. So once the system is done, the printing in progress, then the report will display on your screen. And this is the report for cycle count by classification. This one. So we have classification C, this one, and also classification D only. So right. So what if I need to generate a report by category only? So instead of tuna, shark, etc., I only need mackerel, this one. So I select category, then go to mackerel, this one, and then proceed to click the cycle count. So the system will collect those information with the mackerel category. So done, and this is the report for cycle count by category and mackerel only, this one. right? So cycle count by category. So what if I choose all of this category? So all I need is click this checkbox uh, below, and then all the information is checked. Then proceed to click the cycle count. So all categories will be included in the report by checking all this information. So the system is now in the group per category. So you're almost done. Then mackerel. And this is the report for cycle count by category with all categories. So, this one. So tuna, shark, grouper, and also the last mackerel. So right. So what if I want to generate a status report similar to this cycle count categories? So all I need is proceed to this status report. So because I'm done selecting all this information, so if I click this status report, all of these categories will be included in the status report. So the process is done, and this is the report for status report by category, this one. So we have tuna, shark, grouper, and also mackerel. See on your screen, this one. So what if I want only tuna to be part of our cycle count? So all I need is select other information and select tuna, then proceed to cycle count with picture. For example, I want uh, this report with picture. So the process is completed, and this is the report for cycle count for tuna with picture, this one. See on your screen. So with it records So, and then to modify or to add information in this combo box, all I need is to click this code settings, this one. For example, I want to add a new group instead of blank. I provide my name, Ricky, and click save. So I have now group Ricky, this one. So and then if I change this group if with Ricky, this one, and click save. So now I have a group with Ricky information, this one. So if I click this info, for example, I want to generate this report only. So all I need to print, all I need to click this one. So I click that button, and this report will be, this information or record will be included in the report. This one. Right? So Ricky. So if I want also only Ricky and FF be part of my report, so I'll select this one and click this information, FF and Ricky. Then proceed to click cycle count. So the process is completed, and this is the report for FF and Ricky, this one. So thank you everyone. I hope you learned something new and enjoy watching my video. And please subscribe to my channel. So thank you everyone.